There are many fire, water, and mold claims that involve collectible or odd items. These pieces must be handled meticulously to preserve their integrity for years to come. The everyday fire and water vendor doesn't always have the experience necessary to clean taxidermy, porcelain dolls, antiques, or artwork. That's why at Renewal we are proud to be known as a specialty contents company. Whether you're a customer who has experienced a fire or water emergency, or a restoration or insurance professional in need of a qualified partner, Renewal is happy to be of service. Visit renewalofneast.com or call 800-960-5022 to get started today.